Hello friends, happy new year 2021 to you all, wishing you with tons and tons of success. So hope you are all doing well. So I have not been in the screen for some 2 months due to close to my personal priorities. I'm extreme apologies for that. So meeting you will all with one another topic in the straight from heart one more session with Chandra. Session, the topic, very unique topic I believe, is how to achieve a professional success on your goal, basically on the professional goal. That's what you will really understand from Chandra's perspective. I'm going to explain or give my perspective as well, how we are going to enter or approach, how we are going to make a strategy around getting a success out of your professional goal. You may be asking, hey Chandra, what kind of professional goals that you are talking about? Hey, it may be a very short term, long term, anything that is going to benefit your job, professional perspective, career perspective. It may be just to complete a certification that is out of a demand from your management or your boss that you wanted to pursue on that, or you are working for an assignment that is going to be beneficial for your performance review on a quarterly basis, or even a very small task that can be completed within next 5 days that is going to be reusable for you across your job journey. So from a perspective of entering into getting into a goal and your planning execution stage, first of all I want you to stop there and first understand the 4 basic principles of starting a professional goal, right? So what those will be, right? So I have just given you some points for you to understand. Number 1 is, first, before you enter the goal has to be properly defined in its place. What is your enter criteria, what is the exit criteria, and what boundaries it comes, and what will be the outcome of that particular goal. That is number 1 point. Number 2 point is on the prerequisites, or what you call that pre-eligibility or preconditions before even you plan or think about a particular goal. That's also very important. For example, you cannot add on one skill or something. Let's take that adding a skill as one of your goal, that before adding the skill there will be some necessary prerequisite skill that may be required for you to sharpen up, and then only you are supposed to enter into this particular goal, right? It makes real sense. Third one is the timeline. I always discourage having a goal with open-ended, wide-ended. Then you may even complete this task maybe in your retirement also. So don't keep anything on a open-ended. Always keep a clear-cut, close bound one goal, so that it will help you that in case that validity of the goal also has to be very important, right? If you cross one particular timeline and you are trying to achieve that, maybe that it will not have a value at all. So you have to really remember that timeline is very important before even you think or digest about creating a goal. That's what I will say about that. Fourth important point is, where are you going to get rewarded if you really achieve this professional goal, right? It may be a company that is giving you a reward, or a department giving, or your personal boss level is giving you a reward, or some benefits that you are reaping, because if you set up something, a personal goal that is going to have eventually a goal for your professional success as well, then you have to reward yourselves. How to really accredit that particular specific point of rewards and benefits very clearly carved out in your entire goal definition. Now we have come to the critical success formula as per Chandra's perspective of how to look at these and how to put a formula so that we are able to winning the streaks out of a goal, right? So that's what we are going to see. So what I feel the fueling factors for any one of you to succeed in your goal, and which will lead you to the path to success, correct, is the urgency. Let us take the situation that you are going to be out of job. the company has given you a mandate saying that no, next 3 months you have to definitely look for a job, maybe we are going to lay off couple of people, then the question comes into place whether your current skill is going to be effective use for your future job. If that is not going to be the case, then urgency comes into picture, how it molds that particular goal, make you really crave for the success. That's going to be one of the important factor for you. Urgency, the timing, or both are simultaneously involved. Timing is, for example, if the goal has to be done in a specific time, how fast? That is also very important. So that has got the timing as well. So the third one is the support system. It's not that maybe always all cases that a particular goal will be only done by you. I don't think so. Sometimes you may require the support system maybe from your family, from your colleagues, from your team. Even some coordination efforts are something that you will definitely look for some inputs from your boss. That support system also is one of the ingredients for you to achieve the success. That is a third point. The fourth point is the motivation. How continuously, how effectively you are self-motivating yourself, or by the motivational energies that you are keeping around you. That's what one of the critical key success factor. That's also very important for you to keep going on the direction of the goal. That's very important. Then the best benefit is that you should be knowing, I called you out in the definition, that without you knowing the real outcome, that is not going to give you much fuel for you to proceed towards the success of that particular goal. Those things you need to really imagine about. What are all the things that is going to slow you down or making you towards the failure of your mission, failure of your goal, failure of your objective? That you have to be very clear of understanding those as well. It should not be that particular negative things that is flowing with you without even your own knowledge. That you have to always give a very serious consideration. Number one is always, in my case also, I have seen even a short goal also, I have always seen that laziness that comes into your retardness of your objective. It makes you lose the focus out of you. That's very important. So both the points I covered: losing the focus, laziness, both. And then budget short. Sometimes you may need to invest something. In order for you to get something, gain something, you have to lose something, you have to cost something, you have to invest something. So those are all also the important for you to keep that budget point of view, the cost effectiveness. Always keep the cost upfront planned well, so that you are able to not to stop that goal in between. That is also one of the important things I have always seen, that maybe a potential factor on the slowdown factors. The third one is the changing priorities. Never deviate unless if the goal itself is not having any relevancy, and do not deviate, do not get disturbed with your situation or something that is demanding you to change the priorities. That will give you a very serious thunder back on your success path actually. So you have to be very careful of that. The fourth one is that how much less dependency you have with the external forces. It may be a family, it may be your one of your colleague or team member or complete team or your boss or your management organization, anything that you are keeping a closest highest dependency, then it is going to be one of the ways for you to slow you down on the success path for your goal. That you have to always ensure that how you are going to remove that redundancy of the dependency. That's very important for you to give a clearful thought on that particular perspective. Once you have blissfully achieved the success for your goal, then you might be wondering, hey Chandra, then what is the motivation for me to create the next or new goal basically? That I wanted to narrow you down with a couple of factors here. First one is the appreciation. It's not only, there is a difference between appreciation and the rewards. Rewards is something, a monetary impact or some kind of recognition that has been given in terms of one token, no courtesy gift to you, or no something, or they are saying that no, because you achieved this, we are giving you a promotion. Because you achieved this, we are giving you this particular rating for your no professional performance, right? That is a different thing. And appreciation is no getting yourself appreciated for doing this, and then that gives you more and more no encouragement for your next missions, next goal, next objectives, right? That's a difference, no things that it maybe the appreciation may be coming from your wife or your kids saying that dad, you have done that, no, really great. Good feeling that you are really getting, that is different than what the rewards are. Second one is the experience that you really nurture that out of that particular experience of no, really driving out that particular goal from start to end. That is also very, very important. The third one is the learning curve. You would have learned something accidentally or no unexpectedly or unknowingly. You would have come to some new skills, some new soft skills, some presentation skills, some communication, or something that you have thought that no, if I would not have done that particular stuff, I would not have come to this particular experience or blissful thoughts about that. Definitely that is also one of the important point. The fifth one, reusability, is nothing but how you are going to use this experience, learnings, skills, everything together on your next mission or objective. That is what it really a paid a gift for you that you wanted to really think about creating the next goal. Again, you work on that. One thing I always wanted to, before I close this particular topic down, that always keep some buffers at the start of the goal and end of the goal. If you are slipping down on the starting time of the goal, keep some time for you to even restart that particular goal later. That's fine. It's good to accept that. And also at the end of the time, if the normal goal time was supposed to complete in so and so time, and keep a buffer to adjust the initial buffer which you have given that, so that your goal, you will not be dissatisfied, you will not be discouraged, you will not be demotivated to create a goal, work on the goal and achieve the success. That's what I just wanted to pass on this today's session of straight from heart, achieving a simple mantra or a simple secret on getting a professional goal achievement. And definitely we will see you with much more kind of such similar topics and videos that may be very well interesting for you all, and then you can please share those feedback on the comment section, and I should definitely seriously think about that, and I should come back to you on that as well. And once again, you all viewers, thanks for supporting my channel. Wishing you all with great success that is coming on the next 12 months in this 2021. Thank you. Seeing you all in the next session. Bye.